Are you dealing with chemicals that off-gas, like sodium hypochlorite or peracetic acid? Or pumping delicate, shear-sensitive fluids like long-chain polymers? Then you know how quickly traditional metering pumps can run into vapor lock or lose their prime. That's why we engineered a pump specifically for fluids other pumps struggle with, delivering a smooth, consistent flow without losing prime. Introducing the enhanced M1 peristaltic metering pump. The M1 is a self-priming chemical feed pump designed to provide smooth, accurate chemical injection without the need for check valves or seals that can clog or leak. The M1 can achieve flow rates as low as 0.001 to 5.6 gallons per hour, with pressures up to 100 psi and a turndown ratio of 10,000 to 1. Unlike diaphragm pumps, the M1 doesn't rely on check valves that can clog or corrode. Its peristaltic design gently moves fluid through the flexible tubing. No valves, no vapor lock. The result? No maintenance interruptions and no loss of prime, even against maximum pressure. And because the tubing is a wearable component, the M1 includes a built-in tube failure detection system that automatically shuts down the pump if a leak is detected, protecting the operator, the equipment, and the dosing accuracy. The M1 features an intuitive interface that simplifies setup and operation. The digital display allows for quick adjustments of output, priming, and control modes. These controls provide precise, repeatable output adjustments for maximum dosing accuracy. And a heavy-duty UV-protected display shield keeps the controls safe from UV rays and harsh conditions. The M1 is available in two configurations. The M1B base model is a cost-effective manual version offering the same engineering and reliability without the added I/O or external communications. The M1C control model offers intuitive controls along with I/O for external communications, allowing for automated process controls. The M1C control model offers comprehensive connectivity for integration with SCADA and plant automation systems. The three inputs include a 4 to 20 milliamp signal input, a remote start-stop via external switch, and a flow verification through our MS6 or microflow sensors. The three outputs include a motor on-off relay, an alarm relay, and a 4 to 20 milliamp signal output for monitoring or control. All I/Os use IP67 rated M12 connectors for reliable, field-ready wiring. Each M1 ships ready to install and includes a spare tube assembly, a wall mount bracket, a heavy-duty UV-protected display shield, and a hardware kit for mounting the pump. The M1 is supported by a complete range of blue-white accessories that make setup, maintenance, and operation effortless. M12 communication cables for remote control and monitoring. Star 3 chemical tanks for safe storage of your chemicals. And a wall mount bracket for ergonomic installations. These accessories make the M1 a true plug-and-play solution for any municipal application. We designed the M1 with the operator in mind. Built for consistency, smooth, accurate flow up to 5.6 gallons per hour and 100 psi. Backed by assurance, covered by our 5-year warranty and Blue White's lifetime support commitment. If you're looking for dependable chemical feed, the M1 peristaltic pump delivers. At Blue White, we're simplifying chemical feed and fluid measurement through innovation. For more information, please visit blue-white.com.